हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि दितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 एडवांस इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is permission. It means anumati. The second word is religion. It means dharma. The third word is rebellion. It means withdraw. The fourth word is dedication. It means samarpan. The fifth word is distraction. It means vyakulta. The sixth word is empowerment. It means adhikarita. The seventh word is provoke. It means uksana. The eighth word is disapprove. It means aswikrat. The ninth word is ambition. It means mahatwakansha. The 10th word is courage. It means sahas. The 11th word is generosity. It means udarta. The 12th word is fabulous. It means shandar. The 13th word is achieve. It means प्राप्त करना. The 14th word is abound. It means प्रचुर मात्रा में. The 15th word is additional. It means अतिरिक्त. The 16th word is suspicious. It means संदिग्ध. The 17th word is suspend. It means निलंबित करना. The 18th word is outpost. It means चौकी. The 19th word is amnesia. It means भूलने की बीमारी. The 20th word is stampede. It means भगदड़. The 21st word is atrocity. It means क्रूरता. The 22nd word is herald. It means सूचना देना. The 23rd word is obstacle. It means बाधाएं. The 24th word is diligent. It means parishrami. The 25th and last word is pickpocket. It means pocketman. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.